What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another banger ass video, man. Before the video gets started, man, first and foremost, go check out the Crypto Boys, man. I'm gonna have a website link and a Twitter first thing in the description, man, because you know why? I hear Hellcat. Ooh, that's a nice Hellcat, man. But they are doing ETH prizes and giveaways, and they're also, the most important thing to me, they're also giving back to charities. It's the first 1,500 plus gas fees. They have 10,000 plus dope ass artwork, and they're also dope people. So go check them out. Tell them I sent you.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way, cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint dog. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pinball. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend, no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ex text me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.
What is good, y'all? You know me, man. I'm on the beach. I'm literally by the houses that's literally on the beach, man. I ain't gonna lie, I can live out here. It's different. I definitely live somewhere like this right here. Yeah. These houses right here is like a cool 1.5 million. But yeah, welcome back to another video, man. Another banger. You know, Croc sways here. Gallon water sways here on the beach. Hopefully you guys can hear because of the wind. But you know, man, I'm finna chill right here. I'll throw up the drone. I'll get some drone footage. Chill, man. But I ain't gonna lie. I'm looking for, well, I'm not looking for it, but I think it's time I get a manager, get some endorsements and all that, man, because fuck. I'm not gonna lie, I am still, I guess you can say a filmmaker and photographer, but not gonna lie, man, low-key getting over it. You wanna know why? Because a lot of people are goddamn cheap as hell, and I'm not leaving my house for a cheap ass price because I'm not a cheap person. So yeah, I'm low-key getting over the filming thing, but not like filming, but it's like mainly filming cars, because people with cars, they're cheap. So I'm about to focus more on, because if you don't know, well, I don't think anybody knows, but I've been looking to write my own, like, a short film. So that's what I'm probably gonna focus on writing and filming short films, doing music videos, is doing real like movie shit, because I always wanted, my ultimate goal in life is to own my own production company. But first step I gotta take is cutting off stuff I don't want to do, stuff I need to focus on to get to where I want to be, man. But damn, y'all probably can see it on camera, but look at all, it's like 15 ships right there outside over there, waiting to get picked up by the semi drivers. And you see that dude over there on ooh, he's going crazy. I forgot what that's called. That's like a, I don't know, I call it snowboard skydiving. Phone is done, obviously, as I'm back here now. We got some Burn-Made ashes right here. As you see, I'm in the Hellcat 2.0 or 3.0, but it is no longer his Hellcat. It is Sway Money's Hellcat, man. But not gonna lie. Shit. Not gonna lie, man. Hey, hold on. Let me roll down. Let me roll the window real quick because I want y'all to hear me. First of all, Dodge, you need to make the windows go automatically up and down, not just down, please. But first and foremost, like, comment, subscribe to this video, man. Do all that. Share with everybody you know, your aunties, your uncles, your nephews, your neighbor's cousin. Share it everywhere, man. Get me popping. Well, I'm already popping. I'm Sway Money. I'm already popping. But I'm just saying, man. But how's your day going, man? I just want to let y'all know that, you know, Slim over here lost his bet, so he had to give me the Hellcat for a few days. Not gonna lie, I had the car for like almost two full days, but I've yet to make like any video or say anything about it because I just been chilling. The car just been breaking on me as usual, stalling. I was trying to leave the grocery store now, and then I was trying to go pull out, and then it just said service active dampening system or something like that. It said it like right there on the screen. But man, not gonna lie, the Hellcat is cool, but it's goddamn unreliable, man. But I found out it's like a fuse or something you need to figure this out of here. It's like a fuse you need or something like that, but yeah. But I'm not gonna lie, being on 885 is way cheaper on gas compared to paying $5 and some change for my Honda. So it's weird to say, but it takes me more money to fill up my Honda than to fill up this Hellcat. That sounds super weird, but Toto in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. That supercharged. Can't beat that, but I'm a twin turbo type of guy. I like big turbos, twin turbos, single turbos. Man, this turbo sound super good, but fuck, you got the way. Excuse me, sir. I need to slide on by, but yeah, man, I'm definitely a turbo type of guy. Oh, this is cool. That is a nice Benz right there. The GT, the 63S. But you guys want to see a pool? Me too. Just like that, we are back in the whip, and you see the sign that it just said something like that. Hold on, it might show it, but it might not. But yeah, that's car only got 10,000 miles on it, man. Damn, that's crazy, man. But you finna head to the SRT gym to get this. Oh, that's not right there. Service active dampening system. That's what it says. So I don't know if y'all can see me, but I just took the weirdest pre-workout combo in my life. I'm not gonna lie. It's chest day, so I'm gonna see how it go. But man, us the last 2 chest days, I couldn't do I couldn't do 3 plates on decline bench on assisted. So, but the days where I do take a pre-workout, I'm able to hit the 3 plates and keep going. But the last 2 times, I don't know what made me come in here without it. But yeah, man, that is a nice. Woo, shit, that's the E63. That motherfucker closed. That's nice business right there. But yeah, man, we about to get workout. I'm pre-gaming to Lil Baby right now, and it's pre-workout. I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes till it kick in. So yeah, man, we gonna see. Hopefully, I'll record for a vlog for y'all. If I don't, I'm sorry, but yeah, we finna get it cracking right now, man. Just like that. And yeah. I maxed out at 25. I think that's about good. I think about 9, that's alright. I'm gonna get big, man. Uh-oh. It's light. It's light. I lost count already. I lost count already.
33, 34, 35.
35. Oh, shit. Am I hitting 35? No.
Yeah, 35, that's a lot. Oh, 35. First 10, then I know I was getting in sync.
Damn,
like
35.
Rhythm, you know, and then a 10-10, boom.
Yeah, exactly.
The last 5, I just...
That's 35.
That was a good out, but shit.
Walk to the club.
It's all about you. It's all about you.
Update. I maxed out. Well, I ain't maxed out, but I burnt out on 30 reps on.
Yeah, he is 30.
So I feel good. I'm sorry, my bad. I'm goddamn. You ready?
You got 2 plates.
That's light. You got that.
Oh, this is right. Of course, this is like that. Very light. Finishing up, man. You're finishing up, man. This is finishing up.
There you go.
Easy. Easy, sir. Come on.
Here you go.
Here we go.
Light.
There we go. Come on, 10. Here we go.
Easy.
Come on. 10.
Easy. Anyways, while he's still going up like 20 more reps, yeah, man, I'm tired. Yeah.
I lost how many was that? Like 45?
30.
Shit. I'll be on there in 30 club. That's cool. That's cool. I'm finally somewhere near y'all rep-wise, even though I ain't matching y'all with the plates.
Let's go to the push one. I'll put my hat over there.
Going for 40. Get on this one. We're doing testing. This, that, and all testing. So it'll be like another hour and a half to the day. Damn. Was that 40?
Come back over here. I get tired of doing that.
We'll be over there. Somewhere over there. 40.
Alright, y'all. Update, man. Hey, look. So I left the gym. I was almost home. I had a super great workout. I feel good. I'm not gonna lie. I feel so crazy. Man, I had some close calls with police twice. So I'm leaving gym, and I forgot this car is super loud. It is super loud. It's like there's no way a car should be this loud. So there's no way this car should be quiet. So I'm going under a tunnel. Well, I'm leaving gym. So if you know how my gym is in the streets at the end of the freeway, there was 2 cops blocking the freeway with the lights on. So they seen me. I was wondering. Right now, I was about to go home, and the car almost stalled. So I had to tap on the gas, but I didn't see the cop in the left lane next to me. But he was like some ways in front. He stopped so hard, but you know me, I ain't gonna stop in front of the police. So I instantly hit a right, and I am literally in a random parking lot. So been here for like 5 minutes. I'm trying to go duck off, but fuck, man, I'm not gonna lie. I need my Honda back ASAP, man. Man, if you don't know why I have the Hellcat for a few days, the Slim lost the betting pool. So then I lost the bet last night for $200. So fuck, man, this is OD, man. This car go. I need my Honda back. My Honda is still legal, but my Honda's quiet as shit. This car is super loud, so it draws attention. And of course, it happens to be a Dodge product, so cops love Dodge products, and people drive Dodge. So I'm trying to sneak out of here, but I can't sneak out of here. Cause I'm literally like 5 minutes away from home. Like I just gotta Just hit a couple corners and I'm home. But fuck. Ah, man. Fuck. I'm finna make it now. I'm finna try to go home. Don't. Fuck, man. Yeah. I'm gonna update y'all. When I get home, you guys gonna know if I'm home or pulled over. So, I'll buy the title and thumbnail. So, if I make it home, then, well, I need a thumbnail too, though, man. I gotta stop somebody to get a thumbnail. Anyway, fuck. I'll probably take the thumbnail in the morning, or if I'm leaving again. So just to be safe. Now, the more this car is out the road, the higher chance this car is, because you don't know. This nigga tags is way past due, and it's super illegally modified. So, nah, I'm not taking the risk. And he said, if anything happens to this car, I got paid for it. So, alright, man. Pray for me by dropping comments, liking, sharing, man. Please, that's the way. So I gotta time this light. Nah, that's me.
Damn, bro.
Nah, I appreciate it.
Huh?
I'll catch you.
Hey, tell him I said hello.
I got you.
All right.
All right.
David.
Nah, you be safe. God damn. I'm trying to run from damn police. And shout out to people, man. But I'm trying to run from damn police right now. I'm trying to hide from the police, man. So shit. Gotta get out of here. So I got the straightaway and then a couple turns, man. There's a lot of spots where police can hide at, but I'm not trying to get caught by one way. I'm good now.
I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have nothing heavy. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't leave my home.